would like to thank all of the chefs that have come out to compete. Yeah, yeah.
I have fisherman's stew from the west coast of Scotland. It is a traditional Scottish dish.
We cook a Peruvian food, seco de carne con frijoles. This is amazing and yummy food.
This is a family recipe that my mother used to make when I was young. I don't know the official name of it, so we just call it peanut butter stew.
We had brisket, look at it, it's all gone. A lobster crab dip, all gone. How can I not win?
My name is Katie Matson-Daly. I'm the program director at Park Avenue Youth and Family Services. And Park Avenue United Methodist Church is celebrating 100 years on the corner of 34th and Park. 1985, the members of Park Avenue United Methodist Church said, we have a call as a congregation not only to proclaim the good news, but to bring justice to this community. For almost 30 years, Park Avenue Youth and Family Services has been about reaching the central community with the needs that are present there.
We finally got a piece of the pie.
And now we're almost done.
I'm feeling confident, feeling good.
I'm so impressed with the tables and everything. Besides the food, the presentation's phenomenal.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
I think the people have spoken.
The winner of the Cook's Cup for Best Themed Table is Bill Lenway and his Hammerschlagen! And now, the moment you have truly all been waiting for. The 2012 PAYFS Golden Gloves go to Delight's Delectable Barbecue, Dwight Higgins.
I'm very surprised, very surprised.
I've already laid out my official protest.
I said I'm gonna have to give one of these to the protesters because I can only wear one at a time. So maybe that'll calm him down a little bit.
Now, I do believe his missus works in the front office. I do believe that she had something to do with this.
I feel like the best man won. Sorry, Al, but you know, happens.
I'm happy now. I just want you to know this family thing. We're gonna have to file a protest on it.
Oh wait, I got a Johnny